Hey, what's going on, guys? Justin Savage with MarineMax Venice. We are out here on the water on a 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. Going to run you through it real quick. This boat has a platinum hull side with twin 250 Verados in black, which ties in really nicely with this black tower. And this underside of the hardtop is also going to be your platinum hull. So ties in really nice, really sharp boat. I like it a lot. It's spec'd very nicely. Here on the aft of the boat, you have a large seat. So if you have friends and family, you're entertaining a little bit, you got extra seats there. You also have a live well here for all your bait. This helm seat here is going to be your standard option. It is a switchback style seat. So if you are out on the water at that sandbar, you can flip this thing down with a switch over here. It creates a nice face-to-face seating. You actually have a table that you can put right here, so you can interact with each other and have a nice area seating here, which pairs up nicely with your aft shade, which comes out and it'll cover it to about here on the seat. So plenty of sun coverage here when you're out there hanging out on the water. Very simplistic helm setup. Got your upgraded electronics, larger screen, black acrylic dash. Everything in Boston Whaler fashion is labeled, so there's no, what does this switch do? What does that switch do? Radio is, all volume is right here. It's all integrated in the screen. Like I said, very intuitive, very integrated. Watertight glove boxes. Opening vent, so when you are cruising around on that hotter day, creates a ton of airflow through here, so you're not baking, even though it is a center console. So as we walk up to the bow, all these cushions are removable. So if you are fishing, nice casting platform, or if you are out on the water hanging out, plenty of lounge area, fit people here. These seats kick up here. So you got two additional loungers here. Large fish box right in the bow. And you have a beach boarding ladder and your windlass up front here. And this boat is equipped with your bow shade. So two rods will actually go in these rod holders, and you'll have a huge shade that connects to the hardtop. So now you have additional shade in the back. You have a ton of shade in the front. So no one's getting sunburnt. Everyone's having a good time. And we can't take away from this huge amount of storage in here. So even though it is a center console, you have tons of storage here, rod storage that runs into the inside of the helm there, which if you come here, you can see just how large of a space you have down here, and you also have a head. One of our favorite boats here at MarineMax Venice. Stop in and check it out. My name is Justin Savage. I'm happy to walk you through the boat, get you out on the water, let you know what Boston Whaler is all about. Thanks.